Hello students, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is reported speech from grammar section. Myself Prahlad Sonavne sir from Satish Pradhan and Sadhana College, Thane. What is direct speech? Direct speech is the exact same words that are quoted or enclosed in quotation mark. We might be writing it in inverted commas. What is being said or subsequently enquiring about a past conversation. There is an example. Rohan said, comma, double inverted comma, there is a dog inside the house. Now, indirect speech. We use indirect speech when we don't use the exact copy of the speaker's words. In simple words, we can say that in indirect speech, we convey what someone had said, but in our own words. In indirect speech, we should not use inverted commas. Instead of commas, we can use conjunction. We need to replace inverted commas into conjunction, and that conjunction we have to use according to the type of the sentences. There is an example. Sneha said, I am hungry now. That sentence is indirect speech. So while converting into indirect speech, we make five changes. Sneha stated that she was hungry then. The first change we make in reported verb. Second one in conjunction. Third one is in pronoun. Fourth one is in tense. And last one is, it means fifth one, that is in adverb. These are the required changes for direct to indirect speech. Rule. Rule number one. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, we have to follow some certain rules. Number one, when the reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of the reported speech will be changed in indirect speech. Again, there is an example. Dinesh said it is a wonderful movie. In that case, there is a reported verb that is in past tense, said. So that in that sentence we have to change the tense in reported speech. So the sentence will be indirect. Dinesh said that it was a wonderful movie. In direct speech, there is a simple present tense that we have changed into simple past. That is the rule number one. Rule number two. If the reported speech, it means the part of the sentence which is inside in inverted commas, is habitual action or universal truth, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. Okay, if the reported speech is habitual action or universal truth, at that case, in that case, we cannot change the report tense of the reported speech. There is a example. Direct. The teacher said, the sun rises in the east. That is a universal truth. So, in indirect speech, we cannot make change in tense. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Another sentence. Honesty is the best policy, they said. So, in indirect, again, they said that honesty is the best policy. So, when reported speech is a habitual action or a universal truth, in that case, we shouldn't change the tense of the reported speech. Now, rule number 3. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense of the reported speech, then the tense will not be changed in reported speech. For example, direct speech, I like basketball, they say. So, in indirect speech, the sentence will be, they say that they like basketball. Got it? These are the another example that all that example. Yes, these are the another examples. All that examples are according to the sentences, types of sentences. Assertive or declarative sentence. Direct speech. Sam said, I love playing the guitar. I love playing the guitar. That sentence belongs to assertive or declarative sentence. In that case, we need to use conjunction as that. So, in indirect speech, the sentence will be Sam said that he loved playing the guitar. Now, second type of sentence, imperative sentence. Rajan said to Seema, call me back later. In indirect speech, Rajan requested Seema to call him back later. If the reported speech, the sentence of the reported speech is in imperative sentence, at that time we have to use as a conjunction to or not to. While the sentence is in negative manner, at that time we have to use conjunction not to. Next example of interrogative sentence. Yes, first one WH type question. Sanket asked, when are you leaving? In indirect speech, the sentence will be Sanket asked us when we were leaving. So, if the interrogative sentence, it means first part WH type question, at that time we have to use conjunction WH word only. In that case, we don't use any other conjunction. The second type of interrogative sentence, that is yes/no type question. Mayur asked them, do they live here? In indirect speech, the sentence will be Mayur inquired them if they lived there. So, if the reported speech is in yes/no type question, so at that time we have to use conjunction if or whether. The next sentence is exclamatory sentence. They said, what a beautiful house this is. This is exclamatory sentence. So while changing exclamatory sentence into indirect speech, at that time we have to use conjunction as that. So sentence will be, they exclaimed that that house was very beautiful. There is another rule. While converting direct speech into indirect speech of exclamatory sentence, you have to arrange that sentence in a simple way. It means in a simple sentence. or assertive sentence. Thank you. Okay, this is all about the reported speech or indirect speech. Thank you.